10 foods to detox and cleanse kidney stones fast. Kidney stones are solid masses that form in the kidneys when there is an excess of certain substances, such as calcium, oxalate, and phosphorus, in the urine. These substances can crystallize and combine to create stones of varying sizes. Kidney stones can be extremely painful and cause symptoms such as severe back or side pain, blood in the urine, and urinary tract infections. Kidney stone formation can be influenced by several factors, including dehydration, certain medical conditions, family history of kidney stones, and dietary choices. Many times, patients resort to medical treatments that may not be necessary for the preservation and cleansing of kidney stones, not knowing that if you choose the right foods, they will serve as natural remedies against kidney stones. In today's video, we will explore the top 10 foods that will help powerfully detoxify and cleanse kidney stones in your body. Coconut water. Coconut water is not only a tasty and refreshing drink, it is also a rich source of nutrients beneficial for kidney health. The high potassium content in coconut water plays a crucial role in regulating fluid balance in the body. This is particularly important for kidney function, as adequate hydration helps prevent the buildup of minerals that can cause kidney stones. In addition to potassium, coconut water also provides essential electrolytes, such as magnesium and calcium, which contribute to kidney health. The presence of these electrolytes supports the proper functioning of muscles, including the smooth muscles of the urinary tract. Coconut water's ability to maintain hydration levels helps prevent the formation of crystals and stones. By keeping urine diluted, the risk of mineral crystallization and stone formation is significantly reduced. Additionally, the natural sugars in coconut water provide a quick boost of energy, which can be beneficial for people with kidney problems. Drinking coconut water in your daily life not only ensures adequate hydration, but also adds a delicious and nutritious element to your diet. It's a natural and enjoyable way to support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Pineapple. Pineapple is a delicious tropical fruit that contains an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and has been studied for its potential in reducing swelling and inflammation. In terms of kidney health, the role of bromelain extends to the breakdown of proteins, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by helping to break down substances that contribute to the development of stones. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. Vitamin C, as an antioxidant, helps fight oxidative stress, while manganese plays a role in bone health and metabolism. The antioxidants in pineapple contribute to overall cellular health and may provide additional protective effects for the kidneys. Lemonade. Lemonade, made with fresh lemon juice, is a known ally in preventing kidney stones. Lemons are rich in citric acid, a compound that inhibits the formation of calcium-based stones. Citric acid binds to calcium in urine, preventing it from crystallizing into stones. Drinking lemonade regularly increases citrate levels in urine, creating an environment where minerals are less likely to form solid crystals. It is a simple, but effective way to maintain optimal urinary tract health and reduce the risk of kidney stone recurrence. Additionally, lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, providing additional antioxidant benefits. Grapes. Grapes, especially darker varieties like red and black, offer more than just a sweet, juicy snack. They contain antioxidants, including flavonoids and resveratrol. These compounds contribute to the overall health of the kidneys, exerting anti-inflammatory and protective effects. Flavonoids, known for their antioxidant properties, help neutralize free radicals that can cause cellular damage. Resveratrol, a polyphenol found in grape skins, has been linked to anti-inflammatory and vasoprotective effects, potentially benefiting kidney health. Potassium, Another component found in grapes plays a role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining fluid balance in the body. This dual action makes grapes a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet, providing flavor and nutrients that support overall health. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice. It is well known for its health benefits and properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, stands out for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. When combined with warm milk to create golden milk, the mixture becomes a soothing and nourishing drink. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin are particularly relevant in the context of kidney health. Inflammation plays a role in the formation of kidney stones, and by incorporating turmeric golden milk into your diet, you can potentially reduce inflammation in the renal system. Additionally, curcumin may interfere with the formation of certain types of kidney stones by inhibiting crystal growth. In addition to its impact on kidney stones, the curcumin in turmeric has shown promise in protecting against kidney disease. It can help regulate blood pressure, reduce oxidative stress, and alleviate inflammation, supporting kidney well-being. To prepare golden milk, you need to mix turmeric powder with warm milk, black pepper, and add a touch of honey for sweetness. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea, brewed from the leaves and roots of the dandelion plant, has gained popularity for its potential diuretic effects. Diuretics increase urine production, helping to eliminate waste and excess minerals from the body. This process can contribute to the prevention of kidney stones by reducing the concentration of substances that can lead to stone formation. In addition to its diuretic properties, dandelion tea is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, which is implicated in several health problems, including kidney damage. Some studies suggest that dandelion extract may have anti-inflammatory effects, further supporting overall kidney health. However, it is important to exercise moderation when drinking dandelion tea, and consult a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with pre-existing health conditions, or who take medications. Celery. Often praised for its low-calorie content and high water composition, celery is more than just a crunchy snack. Celery contains essential nutrients, including potassium, which is vital for balancing fluids in the body and supporting overall kidney function. Furthermore, celery is known for its potential diuretic properties, promoting the elimination of excess fluids and waste. Celery's high water content also contributes to hydration, and the fiber content aids digestion. You can eat celery alone, or as part of a dish, keeping your body hydrated and nutritious, which supports kidney health. However, it is important to note that although celery has health benefits, it should be part of a balanced diet, and extreme diets focusing on specific foods may not be sustainable or advisable. Water. Water, often overlooked due to its simplicity, plays a fundamental role in preventing kidney stones. Staying well hydrated is essential as it helps to dilute minerals and salts in the urine, minimizing their concentration and reducing the likelihood of crystals forming. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day is especially crucial for individuals prone to kidney stones. By eliminating excess minerals, water acts as a natural preventative measure. It also supports overall kidney function by ensuring adequate hydration of this vital organ. A practical way to monitor hydration is to pay attention to the color of your urine. Clear or light-colored urine is an indicator of good hydration, suggesting that the kidneys are effectively eliminating waste. Cranberries. Cranberries are widely known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. Although not a direct solution to kidney stones, preventing UTIs indirectly contributes to preventing kidney stones. UTIs can introduce bacteria into the urinary tract, potentially leading to mineral crystallization and stone formation. The active compounds in cranberries including proanthocyanidins, interfere with the adhesion of bacteria to the walls of the urinary tract. This action makes it more difficult for bacteria to cause infections, reducing the risk of complications that can affect kidney health. It's important to note that while pure cranberry juice, or whole cranberries may be beneficial, sugary cranberry products may not offer the same health benefits. Watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit with juicy and sweet pulp. It is a delicious and hydrating option. Staying well hydrated is key to preventing kidney stones, as water helps flush out toxins and maintain fluid balance. The high water content of watermelon not only contributes to hydration, but also helps prevent the concentration of minerals that lead to stone formation. Additionally, watermelon contains lycopene, an antioxidant associated with several health benefits, including potential protective effects on the kidneys. Lycopene has been studied for its potential in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Whether enjoyed on a hot day or added to fruit salads, watermelon is a delicious and nutritious choice for supporting kidney function. In addition to its potential kidney benefits, watermelon is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as other antioxidants. These nutrients contribute to overall immune function and cellular health. Watermelon's natural sweetness makes it an appealing alternative to sugary snacks and desserts. Eating these foods in your daily eating routine not only becomes a proactive measure in kidney stone detoxification, but also offers a wide range of nutrients for your kidney health and well-being. It is important to note that individual responses to foods may vary, and dietary recommendations can need to be adapted based on the type of kidney stones and the individual's overall health. Additionally, moderation is key, as excessive intake of certain foods or supplements can have adverse effects. If you have a history of kidney stones, or are at risk, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health condition, dietary preferences, and lifestyle factors. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.